The video of this autogele is finally here. Come, let's do it together. Let's get started. Hi guys, this is my handiwork. Can you see this blouse? Is it not looking beautiful? Blouse made by myself, bead made by myself, autogele made by myself. This is the outcome of the hair tie. As you can see, is it not looking beautiful? I actually love the way I made this autogele. It's not like the other ones that we usually condemn, like you cut. This one does not have any base, does not have anything. I just did it like that, and I'm going to be uploading the video very soon. With the way it is now, I can destroy it, like losing it and use it to do another autogele. So that's the beauty of this. Expect the video soon. So I started by putting the middle, the center part of this gele at the middle of the face of this dummy, and I started pleating it. You can see the way I'm pleating it. Just watch, it's very easy to make. Okay, so I pleated it till I exhaust all of the fabric or all of the gele and make sure there are no more to pleat. So you have it like this, then you simply hold it up and use it tight from the back like this. Okay, still the same middle points will be at the middle part of the back. Then I started arranging it like this so that the plaiting can stay. Make sure that while you're arranging this pleating from the one side of it, maybe if you're starting from the left hand side or the right hand side, it must end at the middle of the face so that it's going to be centralized. Okay, so that's exactly what I'm doing now. Okay, just keep watching. So once I finished plaiting one side, I used my pin to hold it down so that it won't shift. You know, if I'm tying it on someone's head, I can easily say, okay, hold here for me. So now you can see now I'm plaiting the other side of it as well. So when I finish it, I'm going to also pin it. Now I'm stitching it so that the pleat can stay in place. So I just tack it, not serious stitching with my needle and thread and matching thread. So after tacking it like that, I'm holding both of them together. Do it like crisscross, like folding it, like twisting it round. Let it go round like in a clockwise motion like this. Turn it like so. Okay, then you can leave it like this if you want, but I wanted it high, so I'm going to twist it 2 times. So while you feel it arranging, just twist it again so that it will be a little bit high. You can see this is the second time I'm twisting it. So if you want it actually more high, like very high, you can also twist it for the 3rd time, but the 2nd time is okay for me. So while I do this, I just arrange it to make sure that the front part of the gele is showing. After that, I still use my pin to hold one side of it down so that I can work on one side. So I'm working on this side now. While working, I'm just pleating it, trying to hold it like the way you do smoking. I just start picking it, hold two parts together, tack it, hold 2 parts, tack it, hold 2 parts, just like I'm making ruffles, like ruffles. So that's exactly what I did. Okay, just watch. So you can see the way I'm pleating it, just holding it together. I'll tack, hold it together, tack. I will just, like, it's not in I didn't arrange it in a proper order, just roughly. Okay, when I'm done with that, I came to these other sides and repeated the same exact thing. Here we are done with it. You can see how nice it's looking. So I would look for a way. Now this back part, I just arrange it in a way that it shows a kind of a little fan. So this is the middle I was telling you about. So you can see I'm trying to put it on. Is it not looking beautiful? This is autogele without a sewing machine. And what I've just done, you can remove it, like you can destroy it anytime you want, because it's not a serious sewing. So this one does not condemn your hair tie. There's no cutting, there is no two-in-one like the first one, like the base or something like that. This is together, and you can see the pleating. It's so beautiful. So you can remove it anytime, you can keep it. I actually stitched it round, but I discovered that when I put on my wig, it was no longer entering my head, so I decided to lose the stitches. So with this now, I can expand. Even someone that has a very big head can actually wear it. It looks so beautiful. Please, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Help us to share this video and subscribe to the channel if you have not done that. We love you.